For God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believed in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Hey girl, hey, I'm back with another hair color video. I love this hair. This hair is so gorgeous, and the color made it even more gorgeous. I love those deep auburns and deep gingers and browns for the winter, and this is definitely a winter color. This is my best friend slash client. This is her wig, and she wanted a little revamp to it, wanted a little color in her life. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're about to give Big Lex, as she calls it, a hair color transformation. Okay, let's get into it. Y'all look at me putting on gloves, not trying to mess up my fingers anymore. But I'm not going into too much detail in this video because I've done so many color videos in the past. You can check those out if you are new. And if you are new, I didn't even say welcome. Hey girl, hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Sky.Onjahnae. But yeah, let's get back into coloring this video. Coloring this wig.
Switch up, I'd rather we never pick up, but can we slip up and mix up sometimes? You say it don't mean it, just want it when it's convenient. Am I crazy for waiting on my slide? Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want it aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me bleed? Nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la.
So I am using 20 volume to lift this hair, and I do want to just say, when it comes to bleaching, you kind of want to eyeball it. So this is the color you should be looking for, and it's what it should look like once you finish bleaching. Like I said, we want to keep it with the darker auburn shade, so we didn't want to lift the color too light, or else when we put the auburn on, it would be too bright and it wouldn't give the same effect as the hair we saw it in the beginning. So lift it to this, eyeball it, and see where it is as it lifts, so you know when to rinse it out. Now it's time to protect this lace because we are not trying to stain it with any color. I take my Got2b spray and I spray it on the lace, and then I blow dry it until it gets a hard coating, and I do about 2 or 3 layers of this.
Signals while you slow down, don't stop, it's green light. Now you got any special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want it aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me bleed? Nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back.
Of course, we're doing the watercolor method because, listen, we work smarter and not harder over here on this channel. Okay, I'm going to be using my Kiss Titanium in the color Cajun Spice, and I grabbed 2 bottles of that because this is a lot of hair and it's curlier hair. So yeah, I'm trying to get this to focus, but you get the point. It's Cajun Spice.
Special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want it aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making making me bleed. Nightmares turn into a dream. It feels so toxic to me. What am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. For me like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Back. Now you walking on a thin line. We've been through it like 10 times. I'ma put you in line. Yeah, I had you on an incline. Now I don't even wanna reply. I'ma have to decline. Yeah, you show me I don't wanna rewind. Yeah, no, you a 10, but that attitude ain't fine. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me bleed? Nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over.
Oh my gosh, I thought I was never going to get this color stirred. With this, you really need to stir, stir, stir because this product is pretty thick. And when you think you've stirred enough, stir some more because you don't want any of those clumps still left in there because that will stain your lace and it could make your color come out uneven. So yeah, fully submerge your wig and leave it on for 15 minutes because that's what the bottle says. I always follow manufacturers' directions because they made the product. They know how it's supposed to work, so you need to follow that. Don't leave it on any longer or don't leave it on any shorter. If it says 15 minutes, leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse it out. But yeah, let's look at the end result, which you already saw in the beginning, but let me refresh your memory in case you forgot how good this color came out. Isn't she cute? Okay. Information for this hair is in my description. This is one of my vendors, so the only thing is you'd have to purchase the 3 vendors list to get access to this specific vendor. But other than that, thank you all so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, leave me some pink hearts if you're really my homegirl and that you're rocking with me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.